Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to find out the area under a plane curve, which we could do by using definite integral. Okay. Along with, we will work out some problems for your better understanding. Okay. So let me start. Area under a plane curve. So before going to this topic, we all need to understand the geometrical meaning of the definite integral. Okay. So let us consider a definite integral, that is to integrate the function f of x with respect to x where x varies from a to b. If we evaluate this definite integral, you will get a definite value. Let that value is represented as a. Okay. Then what is the geometrical representation of this value? For this, let us draw the curve y is equal to fx. For this, let us draw x axis. This is your x axis, this is your y axis, and the point of intersection is here, that is your origin. Okay. If you draw this curve y is equal to fx, you will get a curve like this. You will get a curve like this. Okay. So now draw the line x is equal to a. For this, suppose this is your a unit, this length is your a unit. Okay. Then what is the coordinate of this point? That is your a0. And the line through this a0 perpendicular to x axis is like this. That is your x is equal to a line. Now let us draw the line x is equal to b. Suppose this length is your b unit. Then what will be the coordinate of this point? That is your b0. And the line perpendicular to x-axis through this point is like this. And the equation of this line is x equal to b. Here we have found out a bounded region. Okay, bounded by y equal to fx curve, x-axis, x is equal to a line and x is equal to b line. And the area of this bounded region is nothing but the value a. That is, to find the area of this bounded region bounded by y is equal to fx curve, x is equal to a line, x is equal to b line and your x-axis, we have to evaluate this definite integral. Okay. So let me write this conclusion, that the area enclosed by y is equal to fx curve, your x-axis, that is your y equal to 0 line. Okay. And x is equal to a line and x is equal to b line is a is equal to the value of the definite integral, that is to integrate fx with respect to x from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. Okay. This also can be represented as y integration of y with respect to x, where x varies from a to b, because here we have taken y equal to f of x. Okay. So let me make you understood by doing a simple example that I have written here. I have already written here. That is to find the area enclosed by y is equal to x square curve and x-axis x equal to 0 line and x equal to 3 line. For this, let us draw the curve y is equal to x square. Okay, which you have already learned in your matriculation. So if you draw this curve, you will get a curve like this. Okay, symmetric to y axis. This is your x axis, this is your y axis. Okay, then the equation of the x-axis is your y equal to 0. Why? Because the y coordinate of each point on x-axis is 0. Similarly, the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0 because the x coordinate of each point on y-axis is 0. Okay. So, the x is equal to 0 line is your this line. This is nothing but your y-axis, and x is equal to 3 line. You have to draw x is equal to 3 line. This is your origin, which coordinate is 0, 0. If this is 1 unit, this is 2 unit, this is 3 unit, then the coordinate of this point will be your 3, 0, and the line through 3, 0 perpendicular to x-axis is like this. Okay. The equation of this line is x equal to 3, and the equation of this line is x equal to 0. So you have to find out, here we are looking for the area of this bounded region, okay, which we will get by, if this area of this bounded region is denoted as A, then we can get this area by evaluating the integral, definite integral, that is you have to integrate y is equal to, this is your y equal to x square curve. So you have to integrate y with respect to x from x is equal to, from x equal to 0 to x equal to 3, as the x coordinate of this endpoint is 0 and the x coordinate of this endpoint is your 3. So you have to evaluate this definite integral. Okay. So in place of y, just write here x square, as the equation of this curve is y equal to x square. Okay. So here we have got a simple definite integral. The integral of x square is x cube by 3. Then just write the limits at the corresponding place. That is 0 is the lower limit and 3 is your here upper limit of x. Now what we have to do, just replace x by the upper limit in this expression and write here. So you have, that is your x cube should be replaced by 3 cube. Then x cube by 3 is 3 cube by 3 minus, then just replace x by your lower limit and write here this expression, that is your x cube by 3 becomes 0 cube by 3. Then now what we have to do, we have to just simplify this to get our answer, that is this 3 cube is your 27 by 3 and 0 cube by 3 is your 0. So at last your 27 by 3. So you have 9 unit square, square unit. Okay. 9 square unit. This is nothing but the area of this bounded region. Okay.